turned off by a great product. It does dissipate. It does feel really nice and hydrating, but nobody wants to look great. Like, I want to be able to go out and immediately after putting on my sunscreen. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing something that I've never done before and I'm really excited. So you guys have to comment down below and give me your feedback. Do you like this? Do you not like it? How do you feel? I want to know. In today's video, I'm going to be rating PR packages in 20 seconds or less. Hopefully, because y'all know that I like to talk. I'm gonna be rating about 10 or so items that I've recently received in PR that I have not reviewed yet on my channel. So if you guys wanna see a condensed, a mini review of some popular and new products that I've been sent in PR, then please keep watching. Okay, now just as a little disclaimer, when products are sent to influencers in PR, we are in no way obligated to review them. I've used these products because I'm a product junkie. I love trying products and reviewing them for you guys. And like, that's my job as an influencer, to try things and give you all my opinion. Whether it's good or bad, it doesn't matter. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to set my timer for 20 seconds. This is going to be so hard. Please pray for me because I love to talk. Okay, where are we gonna start? Let's start with the newest product that I have tried. I'm setting my timer and go. Okay, this is the Necessaire sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen, SPF 30. Gray. You will be gray. I used it today. I've used it a few times in the past. You will be gray. Now, the gray, white, ashy cast does dissipate, but more often than not, if you are a darker complexion, you're gonna be immediately turned off by a gray product. It does dissipate. It does feel really nice and hydrating, but nobody wants to look gray. Like, I want to be able to go out immediately after putting on my sunscreen. Yeah. So this is a pass for me. Sorry, Necessaire. I love you overall. Also have a coupon code if you want to try this or any products on their website, but for me, it's a no. And I failed with the 20 seconds, but we're gonna keep it going. Next product is the Pharmacy Feeling Good, a little pun, a little play on words. We love that. And this is a hyaluronic acid serum. 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, this is a nice product. It's a hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that helps to draw moisture to your skin. If you have dry skin, anybody in the cooler months, you're gonna love this. The problem is that it stinks. I do not want to put anything on my skin that stinks. Like, who wants to smell? Fragrance is a huge component of whether or not I like something. So this is a no for me, just because it stinks. It's a good product though, but it stinks. Also have a coupon code for that. Okay, next product, something I love. This is the Adwoa Beauty Bao Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. This is amazing. You need it. I used it before doing my hair yesterday. It makes your hair so soft, hydrated, silky, and smooth. This is for curly or coily hair types. I'm relaxed. It works amazing. I love it so much. It doesn't weigh my hair down. This is expensive, but well worth it, and I can't wait to try other items in the line. Woo! That was successful, but yeah, y'all, you need this. Whew, she's good, and it smells of peppermint. Oh, everybody who raved about it when I showed this on my Instagram, you were right. This product is bomb. Definitely would purchase it myself. Oh, I'm out of breath, y'all. Okay, the next product. This is the Mega Babe Happy Pits Detoxifying Underarm Mask with charcoal, glycolic acid, and vitamin C. This like makes me nervous. Oh, I love to talk. Okay, short story. This is great, but I just don't find it does much for me. I didn't have to go through that weird detox period of trying and using a natural deodorant. So for me, I'm gonna pass on it. It's a nice product. If you are going through that detox period and are noticing odor, you might wanna try it. But for me, it worked, but I didn't necessarily need it. It's a good product though. I wouldn't purchase it myself just because I don't need it. Okay, next product is the Youth to the People Polypeptide 121 Future Cream. This strengthens, moisturizes, firms, and makes your skin super juicy using plant protein and extracts. Whew. Okay, long story short, I hate the texture. It's very, very thick and viscous. It's like a gelatinous cream. It does not spread easily. I don't like it. It also doesn't have a scent. Love the glass packaging. I think it's really cute and chic, but hate the texture. Does it work though? Yes. If you have dry skin, this will be a winner for you. Woo! Y'all, I'm getting better. But yeah, I won't purchase this myself. I will be giving this to someone who has a better use for it. It just didn't work for me because I'm a texture person and I hated the texture, but it's nice. Okay, next product is the Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This has ceramides, peptides, and collagens to help strengthen, plump, and add vibrancy to your skin. It's also great for anti-aging. Okay, really liked this. This is what I would use over the Future Cream from You to the People. First of all, we love Henriksen. We love the packaging, but the texture is more silky and fine. It spreads more easily on your skin. It's really hydrating and it feels nice. If you have dry skin, normal skin, maybe combo skin at night, this would be good for you. This is something that I would only use at night though. It's way too heavy for the daytime, but I do like it. I do have my favorite night cream though, so I probably wouldn't purchase it on my own, but it is good. Next product is the Inkey List Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So it's a cleanser with salicylic acid to help clear breakouts. Okay, long story short, I don't like the packaging. You know, the Inkey List is really nice because the products are very cost effective, but the packaging is very no thrills. And for a cleanser, I need a pump. I don't want to have to flip open a cap, turn it upside down, and squeeze. Now, is that a huge problem? No, but I don't like it. Almost made it. So yeah, really effective product. It's nice, it's simple, but I don't like the packaging. And like y'all know, that plays a huge role in whether or not I like something. So this will not be purchased by me. I don't like it. But if I had to use it, I would. Okay, my next product is the Dermatology Water Cream Moisturizer. And this is to hydrate and nourish the skin. Water cream products are really nice if you have combo or oily skin because they hydrate you without making you overly oily or greasy. This is overpriced. It is basically the same as the Inkey List Omega Water Cream. Now, while I don't like the packaging of their cleansers, their moisturizers I do like. So if you like this, get this instead. I'll link both below. They're the same. It is the same. It's just don't waste your money. Just get this. It's the same. And I did it before 20 seconds. Hey, y'all, I'm getting better. This is helping me be not so long-winded. Praise the Lord. Okay, next product is the Jerlique Rose Hand Cream. And I actually received this from the brand a little while ago because they were promoting their rose line. Y'all know I love rose. Okay, this is really nice, but it's too thick and it does feel greasy. The rose scent is cute, but it's not my favorite. It does smell a little old lady-ish. It's just too oily feeling on my hands. I would keep this in my car for an emergency, but I don't like it. It's nice, it's just the texture isn't for me. Yay! I'm so happy that I'm doing well. Okay, this is the Elemis Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. It's a priming and hydrating facial mist. Let's go. It's nice. I don't like the packaging. It's just very cheap feeling, for lack of words. And Elemis is not cheap. It has a really nice nozzle. I don't like the scent, and I feel like there are better hydrating mists. So it's a no for me. Woo! I'm so proud of myself that I'm not using the whole 20 seconds. Yeah. I'll take this to travel, but it's nothing that I'm going to use continually, and it's nothing that I would purchase on my own. Okay, and the last product is also from Elemis, and this is their Superfood Midnight Facial, a nourishing sleeping cream. 20 seconds on the clock, let's go. So this is really nice. It's a sleeping cream, so it's like a mask that you leave on overnight. It's really hydrating. It has great slip. It applies very easily. It's not too thick and viscous. I love it. Love the packaging, love the scent. It's a go for me. I would purchase this. It also just smells like berries. I really like it. So Elemis, almost. So Elemis, you get an A+ for this product. Some things I'm gonna like and some things I just won't, but yeah, thanks Elements for presenting these products to me. So you guys, those are all of the PR packages that I wanted to share. Now, of course, I have received plenty other PR packages, but in all honesty, I can't use every product that I'm gifted. One, because with certain products that contain acids and such, you don't want to introduce too many things to your routine at one time. Now, a moisturizer, I could try a new one every day and it wouldn't matter. A sunscreen, I could try a new one every week. A hair mask, I can try a new one every 2 weeks when I wash my hair. But the truth is that I can't get through every product. Some items that I receive in PR, I do give away. I've sent products to subscribers. I give them to my friends and family. And not everything is going to work for you. If you are an influencer or a blogger and you get products sent to you, please do not feel pressured to use everything. Brands know if they send you their entire line, you may not use everything and you more than likely won't love everything. But the point of all this is to get products in your hands so you can share what you love. Don't feel pressured if you don't like everything. I didn't like the scent of this product. It's an amazing product. It works really well. I love hyaluronic acid, but everything isn't for everybody. So I really wanted to do this video because I thought it was fun and I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Your girl got a little better with keeping things under 20 seconds. I'm very long-winded, y'all. I love talking about skincare and beauty because it's so fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.